How many wings does a bee have? Correct answer is 4. Which living bird lays the world's largest egg? Correct answer is ostrich. Name the bird that enters a saltwater crocodile mouth to pick out the parasite and food particles. Correct answer is Egyptian plover. Which animal has the longest tail? Correct answer is giraffe. How many bones does a shark has in its body? Correct answer is 0. Which bird can travel from the North Pole to South Pole? Correct answer is Arctic tern. An animal zygote divides to form Correct answer is blastule. How many hearts does an octopus have? Correct answer is 3. How many pounds of meat can a tiger eat at once? Correct answer is between 40 to 60 pounds. Which animal figures are found in the state envelope of India? Correct answer is horse, lion, elephant and bull. What is the blood color of octopus? Correct answer is blue. What degree can an oil rotate its head? Correct answer is 270 degree. On which continent are cobras native? Correct answer is Asia. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Correct answer is wandering albatross. Which animal has the sharpest hearing in the world? Correct answer is moth. How many species of vipers are there? Correct answer is 200. Which of these land animals move most slowly? Correct answer is sloth. Which of the following animal heart is located in its head? Correct answer is shrimp. Cow is a national animal of which country? Correct answer is Nepal. How many stomach does a giraffe has? Correct answer is 4. Which animal has no vocal cords? Correct answer is giraffe. How tall a grizzly bear be when he stands on his legs? Correct answer is 8 feet. Which is the fastest flying bird? Correct answer is peregrine falcon. Which animal has the biggest eye, about 10 times bigger than a human eye? Correct answer is giant squid. Which of the following species of birds eat both meat and plants as an adult? Correct answer is blue jay. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos.